What's good, YouTube? Nice to see y'all again. Dirty 30 coming back at you today with a quick install. Everybody's raving about these custom dynamic turn signals. I just have the stock turn signals on my bike. I didn't know any better. I don't know what's up. I just figured they're lights. They work when you need them to work, and they're all for running daylights when you don't need them or whatever. But today I have the turn signal pro rings from Custom Dynamics. I was told that these things light up like the sun, especially at night, and they help illuminate when you're not using the turn signals at night. So it's better than just having the orange or the amber glow in the front of your bike. We'll find out. Part number on these is 2020-1571 if you need to find out or if you need to order them off of Custom Dynamics. They're pretty pricey for two turn signals, but sorry I spit in the camera, but for two turn signals, but I want to see what all the rave is about. I also have the turn signal brake lights. I guess that's what they are. They work as they're running daylights, I guess, or running lights. I'm sorry, not daylights. Running lights, turn signals, and brake. So we're gonna go ahead and hook these up. This part number is 2020-1674. So if you want to go ahead and get on Custom Dynamics, look up, or you can put your bike in there, the year, date, model. I think they only do Harley Davidson and Indian. Maybe it might be some other selections in there, but right now I'm only concerned with the Harley Davidson because that's what my bike is. So I also got the little smoke lens because I think I might switch these lenses out on here. I mean, if I paid this much to get some LED lights, I might as well have them look a little different than what the stock ones are. So I got these smoke lenses to go over here, and we'll see how all this stuff looks. Enjoy the video. Remember to like, share, subscribe. I appreciate any of your comments down below, and let's go from here. Aight then, peace.